Hi guys, let's take a look at the old carousel and to the basics of it. So we change image right here. Let's add some images like so. Let's quickly add some captions. Caption 1. Alright. I'm going to talk more about the URL option later on. And we have also some interesting interactions. The URL I mentioned earlier, and we can also enable blocks lightbox. Let's do it. Let's enable the lightbox, and let's add captions to the tabs. And okay, let's preview. All right, and here is the lightbox. So let's add more images to better illustrate the following options. We may increase the margin and add stage padding to the thumbnails, so the next set of images will be visible. Let's preview. You can see the stage padding here and the increased margin, like so. We may also start the slider with a specific thumb and make the slider centering, so the first thumb will be in the center. Let's take a look, like so. In fact, it works better if we have the loop enabled. Let's enable loop. We are going to enable loop right here on the boundary. So let's preview. Now it has an infinite loop. Now let's add some navigation buttons. Let's disable the centering and let's set the boundary to rewind. Okay, let's preview. So when the slider reaches the end, it rewinds to the first thumb. Now let's add some classes and customize the look and feel of our slider. So all classes are available at the manual, right here. We have to use blocks class manager to it. So let's do it. Let's copy the first class. Copy. Let's open the class manager and let's add the classes, like so. Add class. We are going to leave the spaces intact. Alright. And let's do it for all classes. So I have all my classes copied into the class manager. And now let's play a little bit. Let's style the dots. We're going to the background and add some magnesium to it. Alright, let's preview. Magnesium. Alright. Now let's do something about the buttons. Okay, let's go to the buttons and let's add an aluminium to it. Let's preview. Now let's do something about the captions background. Let's make it like a steel but with 50% opacity. Let's preview. Alright, that's a lot better. Now let's take a look at the URL option. Enable URL at interactions. Enable URL. Now you can enter an address here. It can be a page in your project or a website, and link each thumb to it. So if, for example, if you have a page line named portraits, HTML, enter it like so. Or if you want to link the thumb to a website, it would be HTTP and like so, or my website, for example. And each thumb can have its own address. So let's preview. And clicking will lead to my website. Alright. Now let's take a look at the animations. First, set one item for the stage, and this will enable animations. So let's try to there are so many, more than 70. Rotating and out will be rotate out. So let's preview. Now let's take a look at the items on the screen option and the responsive mode. So we may have a number of thumbs to be displayed at all times in the screen, or we can set it to responsive. When set it to responsive, we are enabling 3 breakpoints, 0 and up, 480 pixels and up, and 768 pixels and up. We just have to set the number of thumbs to be displayed at these points. Let's say 1 thumb at 0 and up, 2 or 3 or 4 at 480, and let's say 3 at 768. So let's preview, and let's use Safari's responsive design mode for this one. So we have a large display, and we're going to resize and go to 2 thumbs, and at iPhone SE or iPhone 8 we have just 1 thumb, and that's how it works.